What's up, y'all? It's Kamiyah Queen back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from Fashion Nova. I got like, I think like 4 things, 5 things, something like that. And I just wanted to see if their jeans were still popping, because like the last time I bought a pair of jeans, they was good or whatever, but I can't fit them anymore. So it's time for an update. And I don't really know my size or like that, so I hope these jeans fit. So yeah, let's just get right into that. So here's what it came in. Let me get a closer for y'all. Go and catch this.
We can catch a flight up to London, go to the mall for the lumps.
But yeah, so like let's get on to the trying on part, because I know that's what y'all want to really see. So yeah. So this is that pink metallic glittery-ish tank top or whatever, and I mean, I don't know if I like it. It just like doesn't have that. It's supposed to have like the little ruffle at the bottom. Like I can see that it was kind of there, but it's not really there at all. I don't know what happened, but I mean it's still kind of cute just to be a like crop top, tank top or whatever. So this is what it's looking like here. Alright, so next is the Stereo Love denim jacket in the color black and size medium. This is how it comes.
Watch your step, you won't wake my mama and dad up.
So, this is like, I don't know, it's gonna be, let's see. Oh yeah, I like it. Oh yeah. Let me give y'all a turn around. See that back rip. This is bomb. This is bomb right here. Like these nice little rips right here. This is bomb. All down the side too. Oh yeah. Alright, so these are the first pair of jeans. And these are the LS skinny jeans in medium blue wash, and these are size 7. So like, I don't know, I like them. They're like ripped all the way down my leg. And then ripped in the back too. I didn't know they were ripped in the back until just now when I just put them on. And if I thought they were just ripped in the front, but it makes it look pretty. Stretchy jeans, so. And they're no pockets. These pockets are fake. Alright, so these are the beach bum jeans. These are in a size 7, and this is the medium wash. And these are the ones I was most excited about because of this. Only thing is this waist. I mean, good thing my waist is small, or else I wouldn't be able to buy them. Like for real. I don't know. The waist was smaller on these ones than they were on the other ones. I don't know why, but they still fit me. So yeah, we'll do a little bit of action. Like, look how freaking nice these are. Bomb ass ripped jeans. That's all I gotta say. Alright, so I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell so you get notified every time I post. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did like this Fashion Nova unboxing / haul or whatever. And if I had to give everything like a rate or whatever out of 10, I would give everything about an average of 8, because this top has me upset because it doesn't have like the little ruffles at the bottom like it's shown in the picture. But other than that, everything was fine. And if you guys are interested in to get 30, I think it's 30 or 35% off coupon, I'll leave it down in the description box below just so you guys can get that extra 30% off of your order, so you don't have to pay full price, because I definitely didn't pay full price for none of this stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.